time, Peter.
Daddy.
So we worked on some concrete moves today, going fast and slow. We did the color. 6 count step, 6 counts out as well. Practice making the 4 count. Whoop. You can go out like that as well. You can come in that fast, you can go out that fast too. Whoop, whoop. The idea is basically to just speed the thing up. Speeding it up makes it kind of necessary for the followers to change their footwork. So the footwork is kind of the last thing we worried about in a way. There was a lot of other leaders just making things circular enough and fast enough that the footwork became apparent. And I think the followers I tried it with, they said that when they survived it, it worked fine. Basically, you survive it first, and then you survive it with the class. That's how it works.
The followers, we talked about keeping yourself together so that when you get something faster, you can go with it.
Yeah, so if we have this thing, I'm like, hey, big wind up, and she puts her arms really just like, now you're not one piece to move, so you want to be a little bit more together in those moments, especially those quick moments. That was the first thing. Then we did a little zippity-doo on that. Peter special, one of many. One of like 5, I should say. There's like 5. But, so that one I just added an extra 2 counts there. So when we get in here, we wind it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we're really wound up. I gotta turn things around. I don't do it from my hand first. I do it from me first, and the hand follows through. So it feels zoomy, but not painful. It's the goal. Don't try that at home or do with someone who can tell you that you hurt if you hurt. Okay, then we did a little 6 count, 8 count practice. And this stuff is really about getting a flow between your steps, triple steps and steps, so getting a flow going. So if the leaders can figure out, leave your arms totally still, and I'm going to paint a line right here in between us, straight in front of us. I cross that line and face my partner, and I keep going down that line, and now we trade sides on that line. That's the move right there. It flows, it's effortless, I don't have to work hard, all the energy is here, and I hold myself together. I'm not trying to move Maddie so much as myself. That one's really for leaders to figure out, and the followers' main job is just to not rush and help. I think like they got pretty good at not rushing there. Then just to differentiate, we have the leaders try going straight across, and then doing a circle very much in place, just for contrast. And for both of those, what we ended up really having to work on is not tipping your shoulders to try and make the follower go somewhere, like, hey, go somewhere, especially on that second one, come out circle, go somewhere, like, this is like more work, less comfortable, and less convincing. If you don't tip your shoulders and you just move this part of you a little bit, it's so powerful. That moves the middle of the follower, everything's better. So if we do those in contrast, we have the line with the 6 counts. We have a circle with the circle, and it counts.